Torah portion, Parshat Beshalach, we finally arrived at the moment, perhaps the greatest miracle of all time. The Jews have left Egypt, and we witnessed the splitting of the Red Sea, Kriyas Yamsuf. The Jews arrive on the other side of the sea, and they're in the desert, and they don't have water. And they arrive at a place called Mara, which means bitterness, and they actually find water there. But it's bitter water, and they can't drink it. And what happens? The Jews complain. It would have been better to just be in Egypt. We should have never left Moshe and Aaron. And what's interesting is that the very next place they arrive at is a place called Elim. And in Elim, the Torah tells us they had 12 springs of water and 70 palm trees. And the question is, why didn't God, if He was going to give them the springs of water, why didn't He just give them to the Jews earlier, at Mara? The Chafetz Chaim, the great pious sage, answers that God wanted to teach them a lesson. And if they would have just waited a little bit, and they would have gotten bent out of shape and complained, if they would have just waited a little bit, they would have seen that there was so much good coming to them. And this is a lesson that we have to learn. And we still can learn it, although they failed, but we can learn this lesson. That very often in life, we're missing something. We start worrying, we get bent out of shape, we can't find a parking spot. And if we would stop and take a deep breath and just wait and be patient, we'll realize very often that it's about to come. And very often, says the Chafetz Chaim, what's about to come is even better than what we could have ever imagined. All we need to do is to be patient and wait. Have a great Shabbos.